So next, I think it's on our agenda is this 2-in-1 welding machines, right?
Oh, yes. So let me introduce this product to you guys. Just like Mandy said, it is actually a 2-in-1 welding machine. It is not only a MIG, but also it is a MMA machine.
So why do we recommend a MIG or a MAG function added to the MMA?
Okay, you know, because of the efficiency of the MIG is 3 times higher than MMA, and the working result is also straighter. Well, this product can use CO2 for the promotion. If you don't want it, well, it is also okay, right?
Okay.
This product can also work with no gas. The main case of the product is made by aluminum alloy, which is very strong and durable. And for the accessories, we have the whole set include the MIG, the torch. Let me show you. MMA lead and others. All right, guys, I'll show you the internal phase structure of this product. Okay, let's turn this around. Okay, guys, you can see, press the 2 buttons here together and open it. So for this part, let's put the MIG wire inside and close the surface board. Okay. And all you need to do then, just press the single button, and the wire feeder will work. The transport speed of this product will be 40 minutes per minute. All right, let's check the front interface over here. So the interface of TOSAN welding machine is fully digital control, but right now without power, you guys cannot see it. Okay, and there will be so easy to operate with no difficulties at all. We have 2 screw-in knobs, okay, provides professional settings, and give precise adjustment of output voltage and the control of the heat input. This machine can also use the 2 gases, which is CO2, and you can also use the mixed gas. For other operation, select the size of the wire diameter at first, set the amps and MIG mode by screwing the buttons. So, and then automatically give all correct settings, so nothing required to be adjusted. So, all right, let's watch a short video of this machine for more details, okay?